Hi everyone! This video is gonna be a little different. These past few days I have been feeling very tired. I don't really know why. I guess the motivation wasn't there. I didn't film as much as I wanted to or as I used to, and I didn't talk like a lot. But I still filmed as we've been to beautiful places, so I still wanted to show you that. So I'll let you see the footage that I had this past few days. Guys, we have a visitor this morning. Hey. Hey. We found a little spot for tonight. Now we have to put the car straight. That's the difficult part every time, but it looks okay right now.
Once something is right.
It is straight. Good.
0, 0, 0. Wow!
Hi! Eskil, who's from Norway, and his girlfriend came join us last night for camping. It was too dark to film last night, so that's why I didn't film. But yeah, they're gonna spend a few days with us. I'm sleeping by myself tonight. It's the first time because everyone went for a hike. It was only an hour hike, but they wanted to sleep up in the mountain, and it's very windy and not that warm. And to be honest, I just knew I wouldn't enjoy myself over there, so I decided to stay here. It's not a bad spot either. Like, look at the mountains right there. And I have a lake right there. So this is where I'm gonna sleep. And I wanted to show you something because I'm very proud. I put the awning on my own, and I'm very proud of that. Yeah, it doesn't look very straight, but it will be okay. And I put the tent too, and because I saw that big black cloud coming in, so I thought if it starts to rain, at least I have the awning. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how tonight will go. It's a pretty good experience. I've never camped by myself before, so see. So now I need to put this up there, I think. Because there's some wind, so I think it goes there, and maybe I'll put it on the tree. I don't know. Made it. So I put them on the trees. I think it will work. Cool, I'm so proud. Okay, now it's editing time. I just put my little lights in the tent. think I'm gonna go to bed pretty early tonight because there's no much to do when you're by yourself. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. I hope it won't be too windy, and I hope the awning will still be there tomorrow morning. I'm all warm and cozy in bed. It's very windy, I can hear it. Oh my god, it's so windy. Anyways, it's what time it is? It's 8:30 p.m. So I'm gonna watch a movie and then try to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. It's midnight. I had to put the tent back in its case because it was way too windy and I have no choice than to sleep in the car. So yeah, I hope they're having up there a better night than I do, and I feel like I'm being punished because I didn't want to go up there because of the wind, but it's so windy here too. So the guys are back. Apparently they didn't sleep well as well. Yeah, it was kind of a nightmare last night. I hope that you liked the video, and I wanted to thank you also for all the comments you leaving me every time I post a video. It means a lot to me. Right now we are on the coast of Norway, but I'll show you that on the next video. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!